Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to make a birthday card for your best friend. Basically just take a A4 sheet paper, fold it into half and draw a goofy chill guy thingy. It's pretty simple to draw. Just draw it with a birthday cap on and a cake on his hand and write happy birthday. And the main part, just write your genuine thoughts and your moments about her or him in the card. And yeah, that's basically it. Now it's all about packaging and the thoughtful gift you give. Now here for the packaging, I've used a holographic Ziploc bag that I use for my business, small business, and I've added some pretty random things here. So I've first of all added 3 sheets of pink random hair ties, and then I give a night cream, a sample packet of night cream which can be used 2 or 3 times. And last but not the least, I gave my own brand Cherry Cola lip scrub, which I have not launched yet. And that's my third thing, and that's basically it. Hope you guys loved and enjoyed my mini birthday card or birthday gift video. If you do, please like and subscribe, and that's it. Bye.